Hello everyone, thanks for coming to my BTS Lego unboxing video. This is the Lego set BTS Dynamite idea set that was released on March 1st. It came out as $99.99 and I was thankfully able to get on about a minute or two after the release, and I was able to reserve one, and it just came in today on Saturday, so just a few days later. So let's take a look at what the set looks like. So it's a nice small box. I was picturing something a little bigger actually. It's a little smaller than what I thought, but at least they've got the BTS purple on it. So this set was originally an idea set that came together from Josh Bretz and Jacob Tursky, who worked together, and it's designed with the song Dynamite in mind. I really like how they packaged this set, and it looks very professionally done. Really nice colors. I almost don't want to open it, but let's start. Looks like there's just two pieces of tape at the end. So let's get that open, and then we can walk through the box slowly. So in the front, it shows the scene, the Dynamite scene with the donut shop, the disco record store, and the 7 BTS members. And on the back, it shows what the set will look like once you build it. Iconic scenes from the music video. Looks like they did their research. It says they are BTS fans. So let's open it and take a look. I love how this box opens. It's like a little shoe box, and you don't damage any of the images, so that's great. So here's the instruction packet. Let's take a look at the instructions. Ooh, lots of stickers. So here's the front of the book. Of course, it has the iconic da-na-na-na-na-na-na. And looks like it has the same instructions about the VIP. It has a little bit about BTS, making it an instant collectible. However, it also has some other languages in here, which is nice. I see French and Spanish. And a little background about BTS. I already love it already. And it has it in different languages. Talks about the designer. Really great collectible book. And it starts with the instructions here. So we won't go through all the instructions, but let's take a look at some of the stickers. Here we go. And here are their CD covers also. Kind of wish I bought a second one because now I don't want to use these stickers. And there's some more. And there's the logo. That's going to be a hard one for me to stick on and not just keep for myself. So, and here are the bags. Really nice. So I was really looking forward to building this set. I know I've collected a lot of sets and not built them, but I've already opened this one, and I'm really excited to see what the finished product looks like. And it doesn't look like a difficult set, so maybe I can show you what it looks like later. There's 749 pieces. So thank you for coming to my unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Bye-bye.